Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have featured next to me the Gemini by JA Roby, and I am going to show you guys the different stages of the burn process and the different stages of the fire so you can see it up close. Alright, this is the initial takeoff of the stove, so I ran my blowtorch about 60 seconds. And you can see it's burning slow. There's a little bit of smoke off the initial light, but this is a nice airtight door. It's not clogging up the glass or anything like that. So that's how it's going to look when you first get it lit. This is 7 small little pieces. Some of them are really small. Some of them are like these ones on the top are my big pieces of wood. And yeah, we're just breaking it in really nice and slow here, letting everything heat up slowly. Glass is burning nice and clean. Super easy to light. Burning really good so far. Loving this Gemini. Here we have the fire up close into our hot burn, so you can see I could still fit more wood in here. This is not as full as it goes. This glass is burning so super clean. Drops very nice. The oven was hot just off of our kindling burn in there. And yeah, I'm loving it so far. Here we are 2 hours into this burn on the JA Roby Gemini. Nice bed of coals, not any bit of darkness on the glass throughout this first burn process. It is burning very nice. It's producing a lot of heat, and it's keeping me warm tonight. I do my best to show you guys every angle of the stove before you make your purchase. I do realize this is a large purchase to make online, and so I want to do everything I can to show you every aspect of the stove. If you guys have additional topics you would like me to cover, please drop them in the comments. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. God bless and have a wonderful day.